Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at MXM's Makestar Photobook project. So I got set number 2, as you can see. So basically what set 2 came with is going to be, you get an honorary producer certificate, which is digital. I've never gotten them, and I still technically don't have it for this album or I haven't really gotten it for any of my Makestar projects. You get the limited MXM Photobook, which is this beautiful book here in the center. And then set 2 comes with the MXM digital stamp set, which are these 2 items. So you get both, one of each, and it includes Photobook behind the scenes video and Photobook B cuts, whatever that is, so maybe some extra photos. So basically the boxes, they're very light. This is what they look like, and then you got a little picture, put them together on the back. I'm going to do these at the end. I'm not 100%. I've never done these paper toy stamps before. I know they have something to do with your phone. So I am going to play or do whatever part is at the end with this. If you do not see this at the end, I was probably then hit with maybe some copyright or something like that. So I will then... if you don't see it, I probably ended up taking it down so I wouldn't get any copyright strikes and reposted it. I'm going to be doing that as well with the Rose album unboxing, but here are these. We'll look at them at the end. And then with the stretch goals, I can't really find a spot for them. I don't have too much space. So for the stretch goals, you get a Photobook photocard set. I was at 100. At 130, you get a Photobook postcard set, and then you get 1 poster. I ended up somehow getting 2 posters, so I'll show you both, but I will not complain. Here's the lovely Photobook. It is so heavy and so thick. It reminds me 100% of the BTS Now albums, just because of how thick it is, because I know their Now albums are so big, which I love, because then you get so many photos of the members. But this is just 2 members. This huge photo book is just 2 members. But, and then the cover design was fun. They actually did a poll of 4 different cover images, so this is like the fan voted cover, so I thought that was really cool as well. This is the cover I voted for myself. Oh, I'm just excited. All right. I'm just so excited. Try not to sit on an image too long, since it is a thick book. Oh, how adorable. It feels so high quality too, like the pages. They're pretty heavy weighted, so they're nice and thick. Alright, looks like we're changing concept and look. I know in their like teaser video that they did for the project, they had this like almost like grungy warehouse look. I hope they have photos in here from that because those are my favorite. I have a feeling they're in the same house, just a different part of it. Oh man. No. Spot and location number 3. Or outfit, not spot. Ooh. Oh gosh. It's like tennis pros. Alright, so here we are moving on to the next one. This looks like the image from the back of the boxes. Oh, I like this texture spot. Using up all that space. This is how big Photobook should be. Photos get to be nice and large. Ooh. this looks cool. So glad there's no like blank pages. I would have been so upset. I'm assuming this is the last look because we're getting close to the end. Oh, jeez. These are some cool color toned ones. So they kind of like, oh, geez. Look at that. That looks really cool. It's kind of like a bluish and an orange. More orange than red, I would think. We got our credits. Oh, geez. The cracking of the spine. Oh, man. There that is. Okay, now for the physical goods, we've got our photo card set, which fortunately seems to be the flimsy style photo cards. The backs. Looks like I only got 3 one number and 2 of the other. And then for the postcards, oh, I should have gotten 6. It says 6 each. That's okay. So there should be 6 of these as well. So this looks like some smaller images from one of the sets. Okay, and then folded poster. These are huge. I want to show it in pieces. Ah! I think it's ginormous. There's the one poster. I guess that's what they did. They gave me a second poster and skipped out on a photo card. This one folds out this way. gotta figure out how to refold it. So there that is. Now for these, I move these out of the way so we can now look at the little toy boxes, toy stamps. Ooh. So here's our 2 toy stamps. This way. I already cut the top of them where the MXM sticker is. Let's pull out this one first. Okay. These have instructions in English. I'm not sure what that is. So it looks like I have to assemble the little toy, or yeah, calling it a paper toy stamp. So what? It's got different outfits or something? Oh no, that's his face. It's probably his pants. Alright, so I pulled all these out. I'll probably build these little things later, but I pulled out the pieces from both of them because all you really need are these bottoms. And what it seems. So basically I got to plug in my phone and then just sit the phone on top of it. From what it seems on the instructions. I'm going to just plug my phone in and kind of just change the screen to what I'm seeing.